We use only the finest inverters, batteries, solar modules, racking, and switchgear in our DIY solar EV charging systems. You'll never find one of those cheap, Chinese-made, high-frequency, transformerless inverters that everyone else is selling in our systems. And you'll never have to worry about our much safer, low-frequency, transformer-based inverters damaging your EV's onboard charger like our competitors' transformerless inverters can.